Hi, I hope everyone's doing well. Atomberg Renesa Plus has a sleek modern design in a variety of colors to go with every type of home decor. This modern sleek looking fan, which was developed in India, is available in 7 colors to enhance the appearance of your home. Atomberg Renesa Plus is assembled using BLDC technology, which means you can save up to Rs 1500 a year per fan as compared to traditional fans, resulting in lower electricity consumption and lower electricity bill. Not only this, Atomberg Renesa Plus runs up to 3 times longer on inverters. Low voltage or voltage fluctuations will not affect the speed of Atomberg Renesa Plus. To make Renesa Plus more amazing, you get this smart remote with boost, sleep and timer modes. Sounds too good to be true, right? In addition, if there are multiple fans in the house, the same remote can control all of them. To give a unique and aesthetic look to Atomberg Renesa Plus, it has been equipped with LED lights. These LED lights indicate speed and can also be used as night lamps. With Renesa Plus, a beautiful home with traditional furnishings is now a reality. Any home can now be aesthetically appealing with a single switch to Atomberg Renesa Plus. Renesa makes every corner of the room cool and relaxed. It's available in 4 different sizes: 600mm, 900mm, 1200mm and 1400mm. The 7 different shades available are golden oak wood, natural oak wood, pearl white, earth brown, sand grey, metallic gold and the latest launch, argent blue. Making things more exciting is the sleek gloss finish, which makes it easy to clean and maintain. Get 2+1 years of on-site service warranty with the help of 400 plus service centers of Atomberg across the nation. And if you don't find any service center nearby, no worries, just contact Atomberg at 844-844-9442 and they'll help you out with a replacement. Isn't it full of convenience? With this Atomberg Renesa Plus, you can now add elegance to your home decor.